Annyeonghaseyo, Chainamin, Dishanda, what's going on, everyone? It's your girl G here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today we will be unboxing this right here. And this is my Ipsy bag for August 2018. As usual, all the information about Ipsy will be down below here in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing, this is what, whoops, as I almost dropped it, this is what the bag looks like. Kind of matches what I'm wearing right now. This is just, it's an orange bag, like an orange bag, and it has a yellow zipper and a yellow zipper tag right here that's kind of fringed. And the other side is just plain, and it has yellow piping around it right here, and this piping is, it's cloth as well. The bag is cloth too, by the way. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. There are just some of the goodies in there. And it's also, it's orange on the inside as well, or coral, if you will. Yeah, like an orangey coral, I could say. Oh, and I forgot, Ipsy is down there in yellow, very small. So I like this bag. It is very, very nice, all right? So when I got my bag, these items were on the outside of it. Excuse me. These are from Lab4U. These are the face masks. These are the Juice Up face mask or Juice Up sheet mask right here. Here's the first one, and this one looks like it's a kale mask. And it this is what the other side looks like there. Then the second one that I got is the Juice Up blackberry mask, which looks like that there. And here is the other side, and like I said, this is from Lab4U. All right, awesome. So first things first, our sheet mask, which is amazing. Let's see what we have inside the bag today. Well, first, I didn't show you the card yet. The card, the theme is confidence level selfie with no filter. So it's all about confidence and taking selfies with no filter. All right, so here is the other side right there. It tells you everything about the bag. It doesn't tell you what's in the bag or prices, but it talks, well, it does. It tells me about the mask and some of the things that are in here, but there are no prices though. All right, let's get started. First things first, from, excuse me, from Kaleido Cosmetics, I have a skin blush. This is what the packaging looks like there. And it is cruelty free, no matter what. I like that little bunny butt with the heart in it. Here's the other side right here, the back of it, if you can see that there. And let's open this up and see what color we got. Uh-oh, come on out. It doesn't want to come out. No. Technical difficulties. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry. It is also certified vegan and cruelty free on that side also. I'm going to have to go to the other end of this box to get this out and to see if I can. There we go. It was rough to get out. But there's the packaging right there. It's very, very nice. I like it. It's white with black lettering on it. There's the other side there with that cute little bunny. And when I open this up, oh, come on. I tell you, this packaging is strong. Come on, open up, please. Here we go. And it has a mirror in it. And it just says skin blush. I'm like, is that the, oh, the color is Prom Queen. That is the color. And that is what it looks like right there. That is the blush in Prom Queen. Now for me, I could probably use this for a highlight maybe, because it is a little bit light. So for my skin tone, so it'll probably show up better as a highlight for me. But this is really, really pretty nonetheless. All right, let's get this back in here in this nice little box. Next thing we have is from Answer From, and this is the Black Volume Gold Radiance Cream with blackberry extracts. Intense hydration, refreshing soft moisturizer for all skin types. So that is a moisturizer. Looks like that there. And here is the other side in case anyone is interested in ingredients and whatnot. Scale back a little bit so maybe it'll focus. So Oh, there's a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to take that off. But I'm always happy to get moisturizers because anything that's going to moisturize, my skin is dry. It's normal to dry, so anytime I get a moisturizer, it's awesome because my skin needs moisture, so I'm happy to get that. Next thing that I have, this is from MAC, and this is a mascara in False Lashes Extreme Black. And that is what it looks like there. There's the other side. It's just empty or plain. And it's a little mascara tube. I don't know why I just smelled that. But look at that wand. That wand is big. So, yeah, that's a very nice mascara. Nice little sample that we got. I can just throw that in my little makeup bag. And then the last thing that I have is from Huda Beauty. And this is the liquid matte lipstick. And the color that I have is Trophy Wife, right there. And here's the other side. It's a long-lasting, comfortable matte liquid lipstick. And let's see, whoops, I almost dropped it, what it looks like. It comes out, it's really cool. It comes out of the sleeve. You see that? It comes out of the sleeve like so. And the packaging is really nice. And this is what, that's a nice full size liquid lip. It has like this, it looks like it's a glass bottle, but it's not. But I like the way this, the packaging looks on it. The other side here just tells you the color and Trophy Wife. Let's see what this looks like. Smell test. It smells like coconut, if you want to know the truth. Yeah, I smell coconut. And this is what it looks like there. So it's a nice, like, pinky nude color. It's very, very nice. All right, so that, my friends, is everything that I got very, very quickly in my Ipsy bag for August. Yep, see, nothing else is in there. So that's my Ipsy bag for August 2018. Let's recap what we got, shall we? First things first, from Huda Beauty, I got the liquid lipstick in Trophy Wife. I also got from Answer From the Black Gold Volume Radiance Cream. It's a moisturizer. And then from MAC, I got the False Lashes Extreme Black. Little mini sample of that. And then I got from Kaleido Cosmetics, I hope I'm saying that correct, the Skin Blush right there. And then, last but not least, I've got the Juice Up Kale Mask. One of them in kale, rather, and the other one in blackberry. All right, my friends, that's everything. This is the theme again. Selfie with no filter. That's everything in this month's Ipsy bag for August 2018. Ta-da! Awesome bag this month. If you get Ipsy, let me know what you got, because everybody gets something different depending on the profile that you filled out for Ipsy. So if you tried any of these products below, let me know what you got. Alright friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm very close to getting 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 800, which is awesome. But I'm close to getting 1,000. And when I get 1,000, there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. It's going to be exciting. Alright friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a fantastic day. Bye!
넌 나고 난 나